in the renounced order of life, and he is the true mystic. Now, he who lights no fire performs no work. Prabhupada quoted that verse to explain that actually it's the consciousness which is sannyas, and it is not the change of dress. In other words, conversely, one can change dress and not be sannyas. Therefore, changing the dress is just simply an external formality, that the essence is to be engaged fully in the service of the Lord, Mukunda, by which one can cross over the insurmountable ocean of nescience. And therefore, although when one takes sannyas, there is respect offered, one should always understand that as soon as he thinks this respect is for me, he's fallen. One should never think that this respect is for me. This respect is for the service of the Supreme Lord, Mukunda. And this is real renunciation. If everything is to be offered to the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord Mukunda, he must see that every opportunity that is given him to serve the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord Mukunda is that I will accept that respect as an opportunity to serve the Supreme Lord. Therefore, never accepting it for himself and being completely renounced in his spirit of indifference. Whether respect is there, whether not, no respect is there. The sannyasi is one whose only interest is to serve the Supreme Lord. And therefore, he will accept that respect as an opportunity to help others by his own example, by his own internal renunciation, and by his willingness to preach under all circumstances, whether respect or no respect. The sannyasi is, Prabhupada would oftentimes state, he is fearless, and he's not dependent upon external formalities in the execution of his service to the Supreme Lord. So indifference, I really appreciated this point that Maharaj was making. Indifference means whether I'm comfortable or whether I'm not comfortable. Whether I'm respected or whether I'm not respected. Whether I'm happy or whether I'm not happy. Indifference means under all circumstances, my responsibility, my duty, is to be fully engaged in the service of the Supreme Lord and in the service of my spiritual master, and fulfilling his mission, which is to, in all circumstances, be transcendental to the happiness and distresses of this material world, and to be tolerant of all obstacles that will be placed on one's path, although it may not be as severe as that which was experienced by the Avanti Brahmin. Nonetheless, there will be many obstacles in the execution of this service. And the greatest obstacle that one needs to overcome is, as Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya warned Lord Chaitanya, is to become proud and to think that I am now sannyas. I am on the highest platform. I should be given respect. I should be given service. Actually, we should think I deserve nothing. I simply want only the opportunity to serve. That is Paratmanishta. And that should be the consciousness that will carry us through. As this Bhante Brahman says, enable us to cross over the insurmountable ocean of nescience and to be fixed at the lotus feet of the Lord. This renunciation was proved, and Lord Chaitanya himself said